Imagine this: 400 kilometers above your head, a 180 metric ton metallic island is doing something NASA thought was decades away. It is expanding its mass by 100% in a matter of months, operating at a level of efficiency that seems to defy the laws of orbital economics. In the span of just 24 months, between 2025 and 2026, China's Tiangong Space Station hasn't just leveled the cosmic playing field, it has completely shattered it with 10 unprecedented milestones. We are talking about quantum nodes beaming unhackable data across the void, zero-gravity biotech that reverses cellular aging, and a self-assembling orbital shipyard. Western scientists are genuinely baffled by the speed of this engineering. How did a station a fraction of the International Space Station's size suddenly become the most advanced piece of technology in the cosmos? To understand how impossible this is, look at the ISS. For 25 years, it has been the undisputed king of low Earth orbit, a 420-ton behemoth built by 15 nations. The rule of orbital physics and economics was simple: you build slow, and you rely on decades of legacy tech. Tiangong, however, was launched with a fundamentally different DNA. It was designed to be modular, hyper-efficient, and easily upgradable by robotic arms that crawl across its hull like metallic spiders. But this is where things get strange. Because what China just activated on this station doesn't just change space travel, it alters our understanding of the universe itself. What I'm about to reveal next is exactly why thousands of space enthusiasts are joining our Deep Space Secrets community every single day. If you want to uncover the classified truths of our cosmos, hit that follow button right now. Stay with me here, because milestone number 4 is going to blow your mind. The mystery started unfolding chronologically in late 2025. While the world was distracted, the China National Space Administration executed a flawless docking, expanding Tiangong from 3 modules to 6, forming a massive cross in the sky. Then came the HERD facility, the high-energy cosmic radiation detector. Almost overnight, Tiangong began capturing mysterious dark matter signatures that Earth-based detectors completely missed. Next, they achieved 100% closed-loop oxygen regeneration, practically turning the station into a breathing, independent organism. But the absolute crown jewel of 2026 was milestone number 4, the launch of the Tianzhou Space Telescope. Think of the James Webb Telescope as a magnifying glass inspecting a single grain of sand, while Tianzhou is a high-powered floodlight illuminating the entire beach. It co-orbits right alongside Tiangong with a field of view 300 times larger than Hubble. In just its first few months, Tianzhou has begun mapping the invisible dark energy web holding our galaxies together, offering a panoramic view of the universe's oldest secrets. But here's where it gets crazy. Just when we thought we understood Tiangong's purpose as a peaceful research lab, they initiated deep space laser communications and quantum key distribution, pointing directly toward the moon. Competing theories among astrophysicists and intelligence analysts suggest Tiangong is no longer just a laboratory. The recent successful tests of in-orbit 3D printing point to a staggering reality: Tiangong acts as a functional orbital staging ground, capable of printing and refueling components for a permanent lunar base. And that raises a massive, uncomfortable question. Who really controls the future of deep space? I genuinely want to know what you think. Is Tiangong's rapid 2026 expansion purely for the sake of scientific discovery, or is it the first aggressive step in claiming lunar territory and monopolizing the cosmos? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below. Do you trust this rapid advancement, or does it make you nervous? Let's debate this down there. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what this means for humanity. These 10 milestones, from welcoming the first international commercial astronauts to testing deep space nuclear thruster components, affect how we see our place in the universe. Scientists around the world are now scrambling to re-evaluate their own timelines. If a single nation can leapfrog decades of aerospace engineering in just 2 years, the timeline for a crewed Mars landing just got slashed in half. This isn't just about flags and footprints anymore, it's about species survival. We are witnessing the birth of a true interplanetary infrastructure. What you're watching right now is the dawn of the next space age, unfolding at blinding speed, shrouded in secrecy, right above our clouds. Yet, despite the geopolitical tension, this is a monumental victory for human ingenuity. The cosmos is vast enough for all of us. With the upcoming Lunar Gateway and new commercial space stations from NASA's partners preparing to launch, we are entering a golden era of orbital collaboration and competition. Science is progressing at a rate we haven't seen since the Apollo era, and the answers to our universe's greatest mysteries are finally within reach. But Tiangong isn't the only anomaly lurking in our solar system. In our upcoming videos, we're going to investigate the chilling new signals picked up by the James Webb Telescope from a rogue exoplanet, and we'll uncover the classified NASA file that might prove liquid water is hidden beneath the surface of Mars right now. You won't want to miss what we've found. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, every time you look up at the night sky, there is a metallic island up there, expanding, evolving, and rewriting the laws of what's possible. The universe is full of secrets, and we're just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.